All right, good morning. We're back at it here with a math lesson. So today we are going to do some more shopping. Yesterday you did some shopping. You would buy a pear or a banana or lettuce, and you would pay with the exact amount. Okay, so let's say that I bought an apple for 12 cents. I'm going to show you right here. So yesterday you would buy an apple, let's say for 12 cents, and you would show me maybe a dime and 2 pennies. Because a dime is 10 and 2 pennies is 2, so 12. So you paid with the exact amount yesterday. If you were to buy a tomato yesterday, you would have paid with 2 dimes, 10, 20. Or you would have paid with a dime and 2 nickels. Or you would have paid with 4 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20. So yesterday, you paid the exact amount. There's a problem. That's a good thing that you did that. But in real life, sometimes we don't have the exact amount. We don't have the exact amount. And so today we're going to overpay. Okay, I'm going to say that one more time. Today we're going to overpay. And so today, if I buy a tomato for 20, let's just do the example here. So they bought a melon slice, and if you look at the table up here, a melon slice costs 30 cents. Do you guys see this? I hope you're paying attention. The 3 people I'm teaching today. See the melon slice for 30 cents? Okay. That's where they got that information. Now they paid, you have to overpay. You cannot pay today with 3 dimes and 30 cents. You have to overpay. You have to give too much money. And so what they did is they gave 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, right? 25.50. And I'm going to write that there for you so you understand that. 2 quarters is 50 cents. This, again, just give me grace on this. This is so hard. Wow, that's just, very terrible. You get my point though, right? 50 cents. So if a lemon costs 30 cents, but you pay with 50, did you overpay? Yeah, you did. You paid too much, which is okay, because then you get what's called change. And so what we do here is you go 50 cents. What's the difference? How much did you overpay? What's the difference between 30 and 50? 30, 40, 50 would be 20 cents. So the reason that there's 20 cents here, is that's how much money that you would get back. That's a lot of information for young kids. I would like to explain myself one more time, and then I'll do an example. And then if you have questions, let me know. If you're out there today watching this video, you need to concentrate. You need to focus. When things get difficult is when you really need to bear down, and you got to think, and you got to work hard. You need to listen. Listening is going to help you today. All right, you guys ready? We're going to redo it. Melon slice, 30 cents. They got the information from the table. They just want to buy a melon slice, 30 cents. That is very easy. Go pick an item and show me how much money is. Okay, ready? Today, you need to overpay. So you got to give me too much money. So what's more than 30 cents? Well, 50 cents is more, right? So we're going to pay with 2 quarters, 25.50. I just overpaid. I gave them too much money. But now, because I gave them too much, they're going to give me some back, so it's fair. The lemon slice isn't worth 50 cents. It's worth 30, so I need money back. Give me my change. And we know that the difference between a 30 and a 50, 30, 40, 50 is 20 cents. All right, you guys, stay with me. We're going to do another one. I keep talking about the tomato, so I'm going to pick the tomato. And it's a simpler. There's a reason I'm picking it, and you'll see why here. This is so hard. All right. This is not how I'm actually good at handwriting. You wouldn't believe me after seeing this, but it's true. Sky fence ground for Yeltman. The tomato is, see right here where it's 20 cents. So I'm going to put 20 cents. So I picked one item, and I figured out how much it cost. Okay. So yesterday I would have paid with 2 dimes and been done, 10, 20. But today I have to overpay. And if I'm in the store and something costs me 20 cents, a lot of times I might have a quarter in my pocket. So, and by the way, a quarter is 25 cents. Is 25 bigger or more than 20? Did I overpay? Is 25 cents more than 20? Yes, it is. 25 is bigger, right? How much bigger is 25 than 20? What is the difference between 20 cents and the 25 cents I gave? So, well, 25. I'll try to write small over here. Some of you might not know the answer already. 25 is what I paid. I'm going to find the difference, which I need to subtract, and I got 20 cents for the tomato. I'm stacking this up old school, people. That's how Mr. Yeltman does math. Old school. All right, I always start in the ones place. So what's 5? If I have 5 and I take away nothing, I still have what? I still have 5. And what's 2 minus 2? 2, take away 2 is 0. I could put a 0 there or put nothing, but I'll put a 0. 0, 5. The difference is 5 cents. I overpaid, so I should get 5 cents back because I need to pay. It needs to be fair. All right. So again, this is what your job is today, is to find an item, overpay for that item, and find the difference. You say, well, why are we overpaying, Mr. Yeltman? Let's just pay the exact amount. That is nice if you can pay the exact amount, but that's not reality. In real life, when you go shopping, other than the fact by the time you're my age, you're probably just swiping plastic, which is sad. I hope money is still around, change and cash. But long story short, if you went shopping even today or tomorrow with your family and you had some money, a lot of times you don't have the exact amount. If something costs you, let's say you go to the store and you buy something for $1.07, sometimes you might not have 7 cents, but you might have $2, so you overpay, and then they give you money back, okay? So do your best with this. Have fun picking out your items. Overpay, but I want to be super, super, super cautious here. Don't overpay by a lot. Don't pay with 4 quarters, right? Like for this one, a lot of kids like to do this. I've seen this before. I'll erase this so it makes more sense. A lot of kids overpay. Like I overpaid by 5 cents, which is pretty cool because it's not that much. A lot of kids will do this. They'll say, oh, I'm going to overpay. I'm going to give them 2 quarters. I mean, that works. It's 50 cents and you get 30 cents back. But the problem with paying with 2 quarters is you don't even need the other quarter. Why would you even give them 2 quarters? Why are you giving them 2 quarters when 1 quarter already overpaid? All right? It's all right, you guys. Just do your best. Overpay, have some fun, find some change, and go shopping. All right? And then the last thing today will be same idea here is you're going to find items at your house that are less than 25 cents, and you're going to pretend you're going to sell them, and you're going to find change, but everything is going to be under 25 cents. So you're going to pay with a quarter every single time, but all your items that you find you're going to do less than 25 cents. Then there's an optional challenge. Optional means you don't have to. But again, just let me know if you guys needed help. Do your best. Forget the rest. And Mr. Yeltman is going to move on to a reading lesson. All right, you guys. See you soon. Good luck.